Musamseleku says he was in process to change Sne's surname to be called Mseleku and have a ceremony for her. And Abongwe is going to graduate, so he want to have a ceremony for Abongwe. When it comes to Mpilo, he says he is not going to do anything for Mpilo because they are not getting along with Makumalo. We know Mpilo graduates last year, but Musamseleku doesn't celebrate or to have a party for his daughter Mpilo, and now he says he is not going to do anything for Mpilo, even a ceremony for what, because Mpilo was in process to change his surname to be called Mseleku. Musamseleku was not in Mpilo's process, but Mpilo was the one who took a decision to change his surname, Mpilo and Makumalo. And Musamseleku was not contribute anything. But when it comes to Sne, he said he is in process. Musamseleku was the one who is up and down, go to Home Affairs for Sne to change his surname. But Mpilo do it alone without Musamseleku. Guys, imagine, guys, a child. It's very hard. Musamseleku, he says all those things on television. We know those people, they are doing content. But some of the things what he said, it break another child's heart. Musamseleku says those things in front of his wives. Imagine, guys, in front of his wives, he says he can't do anything for Mpilo. What Mpilo did wrong to Musamseleku, guys, imagine. And says Mpilo is Makumalo's daughter, so I can't do anything for her. So, guys, sometimes what I saw to Mpilo and Makumalo, they have to leave that program. What I saw, because Musamseleku was aside to them, guys, what I saw, Makumalo and Mpilo, they have to leave Utando Nestembo, not to contribute anything. If Musamseleku doesn't contribute to Mpilo, they have to leave the program because Musamseleku doesn't count them like family. You know that Mpilo, what I saw is about she doesn't support her father. What I saw to support him, to take a side, because Musamseleku want Mpilo to take a side. Mpilo doesn't take a side. Mpilo doesn't want to be involved in Musamseleku and Makumalo's issues. And now he is in process for Sne, for Abongwe. We know that Abongwe graduates, guys. Abongwe graduates this year. We saw it on Utando Nestembo season 10. They were shooting season 10. They are going to have a celebrate for Abongwe. What about Mpilo? What she feels, guys, that girl. You understand it? That's why we saw Abongwe on the board. We saw Abongwe on the board on the town. Musamseleku says, don't put Mpilo, because we saw Abongwe graduates wearing a gown, what. Musamseleku post that post on his Instagram for Abongwe. He says, put Abongwe, not Mpilo. You understand? Mpilo graduates, guys. Mpilo was trending. You know that Mpilo trend a lot on social media last year on 2025. Mpilo was graduating. But we didn't see Musamseleku celebrate like that. You understand it? But Musamseleku says to those people, put Mpilo or put Abongwe on the board. Understand it? Abongwe was on the board, guys. Guys, it's not fair. And we know that they are going to celebrate, to have a party, to have a big party for Abongwe. Musamseleku is going to buy some of the things for Abongwe because Abongwe graduates. What about Mpilo? What about Mpilo, guys? Because he want to do for Sne. It's not about he is fixing Makumalo. You understand it? Musamseleku is fixing his relationship with his daughter. I think Makumalo, because sometimes you can say blood is thicker than water. Nowadays, blood is not thicker than water. Even Mpilo, if she saw that Musamseleku is not doing anything in her life or to be a father figure, because to be a father figure is about action, not about blood. Understand? He says it's my daughter, but Musamseleku, the person who is giving pressure into Mpilo's life is Makumalo. You understand? So what I saw, Makumalo and Mpilo, they have to remove themselves, I think, because every time why he called Makumalo, he invite Makumalo at Macele's house. He can't count Makumalo as his wife. You understand? Every time Musamseleku, what he want to do, is to humiliate Makhumalo every time.